Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I want to share with you my holiday Stitch Fix box. In the past, I've explained Stitch Fix and how it works. This time I want to make the video a little bit shorter, so if you're interested in Stitch Fix, I would suggest that you go to stitchfix.com, or I will leave my link below under the Show More section so that you can go ahead and click on that and see if it's something that would work for you. It's really fun, it's really easy. I am not being sponsored. They don't know anything about me except for my stylist. So let's get started. In this box, I am so excited because I had told Rachel, my wonderful stylist, that I needed some holiday items, and I'm looking forward to my daughter's wedding at the beginning of June, and I need a rehearsal dinner dress, things like that. So she put in some special items. So let's get started. The first one is this 41 Hawthorne pagoda dress in size medium petite. It's $64, and I love the color. I absolutely love green, and this color is beautiful. I love the detail here around the collar. It's sleeveless. It's got an elastic waistband, which I'm not sure is going to work for me. That's not really something that flatters my figure usually. And it's got a lined skirt, and it's shorter in length. And it is made out of 100% polyester. It's $64. So I'm excited to try this on. I absolutely love this color. Then the next one is by Wisp, and it's the Cosmo textured knit dress in size 4P, $78. And it's this beautiful burgundy color. And you can see, like, on the sleeves, it's got 3/4 length sleeves. It's got this pattern where you can see through the sleeves, and then it looks like it's got the pattern in the dress as well. This looks a little bit longer, maybe just to the knee, and it's fully lined. It's got this lining underneath. It's pretty. I like this color too. It's pretty. And this one is, if I didn't already say, it's $78. It's 100% polyester, and it is gentle, wash gentle in the cold cycle, and dryer on low, which I really appreciate. I like that it's not dry clean. And then this last dress is by BB Dakota. It is the Kazi lace detail off the shoulder dress. This is the most expensive one. It's $94, and it is in a size 6. It looks beautiful. I love these sleeves. Look at that. And it is to the knee, probably on me. That is really pretty. I'm excited to see that one on. And this one is dry clean only, but if I absolutely love it, I'd be interested in it. And then I've got two tops. This one is by 41 Hawthorne. It's the Clearwater mixed material blouse in size small petite. This is the back of it. It's got a ribbon tie, the back of the neck, which would be really pretty if you wore your hair up. And it has 2 layers, like underneath. I don't know if you can see that. It's got like a t-shirt, a soft t-shirt material. Looks drapey in the front. So there's that one, and this one is $58. And I don't know what it's made out of. Let me look. Okay, this one's 100% polyester too. It's like a polyester box. And so it should be, yeah, machine wash cold, gentle cycle, line dry. Perfect. Okay, and then the last is another top by 41 Hawthorne. It's the Daisy V-neck knit top in dark purple. Pretty color, really soft material. This is a size small, $38. It's pretty simple. It has a seam down the front, not in the back, but just down the front. It's got kind of a U-shaped hem on it. And this one is $38, and let me see what it's made out of. It is, okay, it's machine wash cold, line dry, and it's modal and spandex and polyester. It's a mix. Okay, so I'm going to try all these on. I'm super excited, especially about the dresses. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so this is the Bogata dress. I love the length. I adore the color. Love the detail around the neckline. This is gorgeous. I feel really comfortable in it. I know that you could wear it with tights in the winter and boots. You could wear it with solid pumps. These are my Sam Edelman sandals. You could really do a lot of different things with this dress and wear it all the seasons. It's very lightweight. The only problem that I'm having with it, and it's a big problem for me, is the elastic waist. It makes me look a little bit bigger than I am around the middle, the way it gathers. If you have a narrow waist, a small waist, this dress would be just beautiful on you. But since I don't, I feel like it makes me look a little bit frumpy around the middle. So I'm going to pass on this dress, but I am going to request from Rachel that she send me something else in this color because I absolutely love it. Okay, so on to the next. So this is the Wisp Cosmo dress. I really like this. I like the length of the sleeves. I like how it fits my rib cage. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. This is a great length for occasions where you want to be a little bit more conservative and like a wedding or something. So I love this. I'm really excited. It's really comfortable. It's flowy. I'm wearing it with my Sam Edelman pumps, and I could wear tights with this and black pumps. I really like the pattern that it has on the sleeves where you can see the lines through it. It carries on through the dress, but you can't see through. It's fully lined. It's a little bit warmer of a dress and a little bit heavier, so with tights, I think that I could wear this in the winter. All right, so this is the BB Dakota dress. I love it. I feel so pretty in this. I couldn't get it all the way zipped up in the back. I'm here home alone, and it has a zip up through the lace and a little eye hook, so it's not quite fitting me correctly. So it has these beautiful sleeves. It fits me really well. If I lose any more weight, I would maybe want to go down one size, but I really, really like this dress. I love how it has this lace that goes across. I think it's just so sexy and pretty. I just need it to fit better, maybe because I'm not that busty, or once the eye hook gets connected, it might work better. It's got that slightly sticky material that you can find in strapless bras and some panties actually, but it's not up against my skin enough to hold. I can tell that. So it would fall down below to where you could see my strapless bra. So I either need to size down one, or I need to go ahead and get this tailored, which I actually would be willing to do with this dress because I feel so good in it, and that is so, so rare for me. So let me know what you think about the dresses. I'm going to go ahead and change and try on the two tops that I have left. So here's the first 41 Hawthorne blouse. I think it's beautiful. I love how interesting it is with the two different layers. It's made really, really well. It comes down lower in the back, so it covers your butt. You could really dress this up and not wear jeans with it, but wear a skirt or some dress pants for the holidays. The only thing with this top is that I have one other black top that has a very similar look to this one. So I am debating. I'm not sure that I'll go ahead and get it, but I do really like it. It's kind of unique and interesting. With my short stature, I don't know that I can pull off this billowy part in the front, but I think that this blouse is gorgeous. And in the back, it ties with a ribbon. So if you were to wear your hair up, I tied the ribbon, so it probably doesn't look great, but I think that that could look so pretty for a party, for the holidays. This is a really nice top. I'm going to go ahead and try on the next one. This is the last item. It's another 41 Hawthorne top. I love the color. I love the ruching of the sleeves at the top of the sleeves up here. If you can see it, I'll come a little bit closer so you can see it. And I love V-necks on me because it's very elongating. It has this kind of thick seam that goes all the way down the front, which I'm not a huge fan of because I went to try to tuck it into pants or to a skirt and it just didn't, it caused it to not blouse correctly and look nice. So I would need to wear it outside of things. And I'm not really sure about this one. So I'm going to think about it and I will let you know what I'm getting at the end of this video. All right, what a successful box. That's so exciting. I'm definitely going to be keeping the burgundy dress. What is it? It's the Wisp Cosmo textured knit dress. It's gorgeous, it's classy, love it. And then I'm also going to either size down on the BB Dakota dress or actually get it tailored. I really want it to fit across my shoulders. I feel so pretty in that dress, and that's really important because I have not felt my best in dresses in the past, and so that's pretty exciting for me. Rachel did an excellent job. Remember, be kind, be grateful, and be brave, and I'll see you soon.